Hello teachers, in this video we will discuss how you can download the Word file format of the question paper from Examin8.com and remove the tables from the question paper. For this, click on Actions, then click Generate Microsoft Word, then click Yes, then refresh it, then click on Actions again, then click Question Microsoft Word, then save it. Now let's open it. So this is the question paper, but it is in tabular format. We have given this table so that the question orders, marks and text can be aligned properly. Make necessary changes before you remove the table. There are two options. One is to hide the table and the second is to remove the table completely. First, let's see how you can hide the table. For this, select the whole table, then go to the table and border and shading, click no borders. This is one way you can do. Other way to do is just right click anywhere in this tabular box, click border and shading, then click none here and click OK. In this case, table is there, but it is in hidden format. And now if you want to delete the whole table, you don't want it in tabular format, so let's see how you can do it. Click anywhere within the table. Now on the top, click table layout. On this bar, go to the end, click convert to text and keep it tabs, then click OK. So now everything is in text format, table is gone. So this way you can either hide the table or delete the whole table and get the text out of it. If you are using Microsoft Office 2007 or 2010, you may get such type of errors that the file is not opening, there is some XML error. The Word file that you are downloading from Examin8.com will work on Microsoft Word 2016 or higher version.